So this is the window of an RFS 8020-200 friends. Good day as usual. Put on the brakes and the HUD. We have to reach the N1 of 40%, which is the pressure of the engine, for a safe takeoff. Put the throttle at around 25%. Increase the throttle for takeoff. Release the brakes. We have to lift the nose up at the VR, which will be around 130 knots. V1. That's not VR. Oh, we are too early. Rotate. Yes, we are above the ground. We have to lift the gears up. You didn't saw that? So here, I will show for you. Down. Gears down. See the animations. Gears up. Again. Gears up. We have also put the flaps up. No? Okay, now we have to put the flaps up. Also, remember to put the autopilot. Ignore those warnings. It's just a malfunction. You have to off the seat belts and landing light sign when you reach 10,000 feet. For now, let's assume we had reached 10,000 feet. You could off the HUD, off the seatbelt sign and the landing lights. Now let's on them because we didn't reach 10,000 feet. See you. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. And hit the like button and share to your friends.